All right, today we're headed downstairs. We're gonna show you how easy it is, how simple it is, and how fast it is to make turkey meatballs in the pressure cooker. Okay, first thing, let's make sure we have the following ingredients so that we can get started. 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper to season. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to add the turkey, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Make sure to really mix it around well with your hands. Get that salt, that pepper, that Italian seasoning in with the ground turkey. After mixing, we're gonna take our hands and we're gonna form our ground turkey meatballs into about golf ball sized meatballs. Check it out. Make sure you've added enough water to your pressure cooker. Next, we're gonna add our meatballs to our stainless steel rack or our metal rack and place it inside of our pressure cooker. And we're gonna place it on the meat setting for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, release the pressure and add your meatballs to marinara sauce. We love adding ours to our homemade marinara sauce. Check it out on our website if you haven't already. We recommend that you let the turkey meatballs soak with the marinara sauce for 15 to 30 minutes. You can soak them for longer. The nice thing about turkey is the more that you let it soak with certain sauces and marinades, the more flavor that they will soak in. And lastly, don't forget to enjoy. It's a super simple recipe, minimal ingredients, and it's delicious. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. We hope you check out some of our other recipes. Feel free to please like, subscribe, follow us, tweet us. Have a good day. Thanks, guys.